Play WPT is authentic online poker. Come and play WPT today.
And how about this one? Ryo wakes up. Couple aces in his hand. Lines have gone up, 40,000, 80,000, 10,000 is the ante. This is level number 29. Over to Ian. He's got King Jack off, 170,000 more for him to call.
And he's going to call.
David says no thanks. Ping's got queen 5 of clubs. Wouldn't shock me to see him come along at this price.
I think you will.
The 90,000, he is going to come right along, and 3 players going to the flop here. And how about that? A set of aces for Ryo right out of the gate. And Ping makes a pair of queens on that flop.
Ian has a straight draw too, and he's going to go ahead and bet his straight draw. So Ryo's check, his trap is working so far.
205,000 is the wager.
And Ping, knowing that Ian will bet in position pretty wide, is going to call with his pair of queens. He may have discounted Ryo even being in the hand because he was the original raiser and checked it already.
And Ryo is loving every second of that. Yeah, just forget about me. My set of aces over here, guys.
Now, in three-way pots, people don't bluff twice very often, so calling to set a trap for the turn is maybe not the best play.
What is going on at this?
Amazing.
At this tournament, man. This is a wild final table. That's the second set of quads that we've seen. We had the set of quads earlier from Joe, and now here we go. 4 aces for Ryo. Pot's at 1.2 million, and Ping's going to slow that one down, even though he just hit a 5 on the river. Doesn't mean anything to his hand. It's the ace spare.
I think Ping's probably going to get away. They're probably going to both get away now when Ryo bets. If he bets, I assume he will.
That'd be a pretty epic move to check your quad aces on.
Yeah, if it were heads up, even checking the quad aces
Will he
might
show
be
it or
okay.
not?
Yes, he will show it. I would lay 3 to 1.
You have to, like you said, Matt. It is a rule of law.
Yeah.
Best hand I ever played in my life. I mean, not the best hand.
No, you played it well.
No. I mean, that's not what I wanted to say. I mean,